Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon, ang loto.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon, ang loto.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ladies and gentlemen, basketball fanatics from all over the Bicol region, the time has come. This is not just a game, it's history in the making. Welcome to Oragon Basketball League, the premier basketball league in the Bicol region, bringing you the fiercest competition, the biggest stage, and of course, the purest display of Bicolano hoop action. This is the maiden season, the Elavil Cup. Ano, maurag ka? And of course, this afternoon we continue the action with our second game of the season, and it's the NCF Tigers against the UNC Greyhounds, or the UNC-TRIFIT Naga rather, and that promises to be an intensive and of course explosive game. My name is Jasper Abante, beside me is Rick Puerta, and we are honored to be your voice for this historic league.
Ayan, nagbabalik ulit tayo sa loob ng Naga College Foundation covered court for our second match sa ating opening day ng OBL Elavil Cup. Again, NCF Tigers versus the UNC-TRIFIT Naga, who will claim their victory dito sa araw na ito. Again, titignan natin dito kung sino ang makakakuha ng magandang game plan, because teams talagang it's a combination of different players. So let's see kung ano ang gagawin dito ng dalawang koponan to secure their first win. At para magkaroon ng magandang standing dito sa pagsisimula ng ating Elavil Cup. So thank you so much for our sponsors and of course our live audiences dito sa loob ng covered court at sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa ating live coverage sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and of course sa OBL Facebook page and GNN TV48 Naga.
Ayun na nga Rick, at magandang laban talaga yung naghihintay sa atin for the second game of the season, dahil alam naman natin na itong ating NCF Tigers, the champions for Bicol Season 6, both juniors and seniors. And while ayun na nga, nakapanayam ko kanina si Coach Brian Ay, the head coach of the Tigers, and they have combined these players. Meron din sila mga imports, reinforcement, but this time pakinggan muna natin ang report ng ating courtside reporter. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. Good afternoon, Oragons, and to all our basketball fans all around the world who are watching us live via GNN TV48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are now on the second game for today, the UNC-TRIFIT Naga and the Naga College Foundation Tigers. Ako po, si Kyla Casulia, at ako ang inyong makakasama on the side of the NCF Tigers. To know their preparation this season, we have their assistant coach, Coach Sal. Coach. Hello, Coach. Good afternoon, Coach. Since this is a brand new season, a brand new team, may we know what are your preparations for this season, and of course, what are your adjustments, since we all know that there are players who already play in the Pro League?
Well, you know, thank God we're able to put together a team full of players that know how to play with each other, grew up together, and already understand the system. You know, with being one of the younger Tigers, we want to play 100% effort all the time, but there's a lot of wisdom in slowing the game down and having a lot of experience, and that's what we have here. We've really reinforced this team with a lot of experience.
Thank you, Coach. And Coach, since this is a very important game, a first game, what are the reminders to your players that you know na makakatulong sa kanila for this game against the UNC-TRIFIT?
Well, you know, the reminder is, you know, we play as a team, we trust each other, we trust the system, and always at any given time play 100%.
And of course, Coach, since there are a lot of fans there, please invite them to support you and your team.
Will do. Good afternoon. Yeah, my mother's already here. She's in the stands. I'm from the States, but anyone else around town in Naga City, please come join and support your local team.
Thank you so much, Coach, and best of luck to your team. There you have it. That is the assistant coach of the Naga College Foundation, Coach San. Manatiling nakatutok only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Kyla Katsuria on the side of the Naga College Foundation. Balik sa inyo, Jasper and Rick.
Thank you so much, Kyla, on that update from the side of the NCF Tigers. Ayun na nga, at thank you rin kay Coach Sal sa pagpa-unlock ng interview dyan kay Kyla. And ayun na nga, they said that they want to continue that effort with hustle and 100% to dominate Oragon Basketball League. Dahil ayun na nga, malaki yung expectations ngayon ng crowd doon sa ating NCF Tigers being the champions for Bicol, also a big league in the region. And there is Joshua Ayo, Roy Betito, Fredson Hermonio, and Alwin Margalio as former Comsor Express players. Grabe, mabibigat to, Rick, yung kanilang bench dito, napakalalim. And also alumni Tigers including Eman Ojola. Magandang laban talaga ang naghihintay sa atin, Rick.
Ayan, talagang exciting ang magaganap na matchup between NCF and UNC-TRIFIT. So, let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang magandang kapalaran this afternoon. So, nabanggit nga kanina ang mga additional players on the side of NCF Tigers. So, let's see kung magkakaroon sila ng magandang communication inside the court. And on the other side of things, to hear an update sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT, let's call our courtside reporter, Casey. Hi, Casey. Anong balita dyan na natanong? Preparasyon on the side of your team?
Bicolandia, get ready to witness the premier season of the newest basketball league in Bicol region. It's the Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup 2025, live here at the NCF Covered Court. Brought to you by GNN TV48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. I am your courtside correspondent, Casey Anchoquia, bringing you the hottest from the side of UNC-TRIFIT. And now to hear about the team's preparation, we have here the head coach of UNC-TRIFIT, Coach Piggy Perez. Coach, good afternoon po. So coming into this premier season of OBL, we want to know if your team have any reinforcements or import players for this league that we should keep an eye on.
Yes, we have reinforcements, 2 players from NCF, and then we have another 4 who are former players of UNC, and then former varsity players from other schools.
Okay, Coach, we've seen them play during the Bicol Season 6. Ano ang dapat abangan ng fans na hindi pa nila nakikita before?
Siguro, maturity. Yun lang, maturity.
Okay, Coach. Lastly, this is your chance to invite the fans and supporters of the team to watch them play live.
I would like to invite all the basketball enthusiasts here in Bicol to support and watch OBL since this is going to be the first season for this year. Hopefully, maging maganda itong ligang ito at sana supportahan nyo po all the way.
That would be all, Coach. Thank you po and best of luck. And now that we've heard the insights from Coach Piggy about their preparations, it's time to shift our focus back on the court as the action continues here in Oragon Basketball League. Ano, maurag ka? Oragon! That's it for now. Back to the panel.
And thank you so much, Casey, for that update, and to Coach Piggy for that well answered. And according to Coach Piggy, 2 reinforced player para dito sa kanilang kupunan. And this is very interesting because those 2 players comes from the Naga College Foundation Tigers. So let's see kung anong magagawa ng dalawang players na yon on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT. Yan ang aabangan natin. And according to Coach Piggy, maturity, yan ang pinairal nila dito sa kanilang kupunan. Let's see kung makikita ba natin ang maturity inside the court on the side of UNC-TRIFIT and on the side of NCF Tigers. Yan ang aabangan natin dito sa ating OBL Elavil Cup. And in a few minutes, magsisimula na ang matchup between these 2 great teams.
Now, on the side naman of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga, we have to keep our eyes on Joshua Villaflor and Ken Estada, former alumni UNC basketball Ayan, naglalaro sila ngayon for the UNC-TRIFIT Naga for their entry dito sa Oragon Basketball League. And also, Joshua Barcena and Ken Kadag, the former Golden Knights players now playing for the UNC-TRIFIT. Well, also mentioned kanina ni Coach Herman Nico Caronan being their star player. Magandang bakbakan dahil kilalang kilala itong dalawang teams na ito dito sa Naga City. And according to Coach Herman, once again, they just did that 5 days a week practice. And the same yung kanilang routine as they do for Bicol. So let's see kung ano yung pinaghanda nila dito as that tip-off goes to the UNC-TRIFIT. Now,
Patyan sila. Sarmiento heavily guarded here by jersey number 7. No good on that one-hand layup. Now NCF Tigers with the ball possession. Ayo fires
Ayo.
for 3.
no good on that 3, and then early turnover here. An early foul rather coming from jersey number 7, and here comes the UNC-TRIFIT. Now, jersey number 3. Batiancela to jersey number 4, Masinas. Now, Batiancela once again swings it to jersey number 37. Now, let's see jersey number 3. Libreng-libre dito si Batiancela, but goes to the inside. Now, good on that two-pointer. Once again, Batiancela with that good offensive rebound. And now, didiretso naman ngayon, jersey number 37. But a whistle foul there. That was coming from jersey number 24 of the Tigers. A 2 points play for jersey number 19 of the UNC Greyhounds. TRIFIT, Sarmiento. And that was their first point, Rick, dito sa second game of the season. And now, jersey number 7.
NCF basketball. Ayo fires for 3, no good. And now, UNC-TRIFIT on the offense. Wala pa rin dito sa ating 3-point attempt, and Batiancela
another foul coming from the NCF Tigers, and that's a 2-0 run for the last 1 minute and 28 seconds ng ating first quarter. Napapadalas dito yung mga fouls itong ating NCF Tigers with 3 team fouls. Now let's see.
Batiancela heavily guarded by Ayo, finding his way here. Sarmiento to jersey number 37, Festin, and getting a point on that last sequence. Now NCF, they need a point conversion. Arenzana to Margallo, taking their time here. 15 to shoot. Ayo passing the ball to Gabito.
Now Margallo, no good pa rin on the side of the NCF Tigers. 4-0 run ang ginagawa dito ng ating UNC-TRIFIT with 7 minutes and 54 seconds on the first quarter. And mukhang maagarik yung tulakan dito. Now, jersey number 3, Batiancela well guarded here by Joshua Ayo. And now Batiancela didiretso with that, almost getting that 2-pointer. Now jersey number 19, Alwin Margallo.
No good, but makakakuha dito ng foul ang side ng UNC-TRIFIT, and with that, Margallo stepping on that free throw line for an opportunity. No good on that first attempt. And still, NCF Tigers looking for their first point here sa ating first quarter. And this time, clean basket for Margalio. UNC-TRIFIT on the offense.
Now, jersey number 37 to jersey 6. A steal coming from Alvin Margalio, and here comes Gabito. Dire-diretso naman for the NCF Tigers, adding 2 to their score. And now, jersey number 37-15 for the UNC-TRIFIT.
Sarmiento was blocked, and Margalio securing the rebound on the side of Tigers. Hermonio tatiwin ng bola. Great pass, but andon yung UNC-TRIFIT defense. Ayo to Hermonio, forcing that one, and Margalio on the corner for 3, no good. And Gabito matatawagan dito ng foul on the side of Tigers. So another opportunity on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. And this time, double substitution on the side of their team. Caronan and Villaflor ipapasok. Caronan inbound. Yan, nabanggit mo ito kanina, Jasper. Caronan, one of the key players on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Let's see kung magkakaroon siya dito ng magandang momentum on their side. Villaflor.
No good on that 3-pointer by jersey number 6 of the UNC-TRIFIT, Sakido. And now it's the NCF's ball possession.
Hermonio itatawid ang bola on their side. Taking their time here. Isang puntos ang kailangang burahin ng NCF para dyan sa ating unang quarter. Margalio heavily guarded by Batiancela. Gabito getting that one. Hermonio to Ayo. And Ayo with that shot. So the lead is on the side of NCF at this moment.
Now UNC-TRIFIT, a good mid-range jumper naman for jersey number 4 of the UNC-TRIFIT, that is Barcena. Masinas rather. And now, foul has been called to jersey number 3, Batiancela of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. And now, sideline inbound by Ayo. Now Hermonio for the NCF Tigers. Ayo once again. Hermonio. Margalio almost getting that 2-pointer, but here comes another offensive rebound for the Tigers. Now Gabito. A teared up shot for Gabito on the side of the NCF Tigers.
Looking good ang dalawang kupunan. Naghahabalan lang dito ng kanilang puntos. And now, UNC-TRIFIT with the ball possession. And a quick shout out on our live viewers. Thank you so much po sa inyong panunood at suporta. Shout out kay Terry, Tess Tiansay, Lizzie Nabala, Alexander Lim, Kyle, Jeric A. Nunez, Ram Cervantes, at kay Cristina Valenzuela. Thank you so much. And on that last sequence, Joshua Ayo libreng-libro with that layup.
What a play for Joshua Ayo of the NCF Tigers. And now, another steal of the NCF Tigers. Margalio to Ayo once again. Grabe. Napakagandang play for both of these teams. And now, no good on that 2 attempts, but on that 3rd attempt, pasok na yan for 2 points on the side naman of the UNC-TRIFIT. And now it's the Tigers on the offense now.
Hermonio to Margalio for 3, and that 3 points was brought to us by Arco Diez. What a play para dito kay Margalio.
That was a clean basket for Alwin Margalio of the NCF Tigers. And now UNC-TRIFIT, tingnan natin kung anong ganti naman yung gagawin nila dito. But that was a double dribble violation.
And now, NCF. Ang uupensa dito, Hermonio. Heavily guarded. And wow! What a pass! Layup. Wow. Those connections. Yun ang ikinaganda dito kapag alam mo na mahaba na yung pinagsamahan ng inyong teammates.
Now good on that 3 points play opportunity for Alwin Margalio. And now jersey number 29 for the UNC-TRIFIT. Mukhang nakaganti naman dito ng 3 points play opportunity itong ating UNC-TRIFIT. Grabe. Hindi rin nila pinapalayo itong ating NCF Tigers. Karonan.
Very exciting matchup. Both teams mayroong reinforced players na dapat pantayan dito ng dalawang kupunan. Basket on that free throw. And now, NCF Tigers with the ball possession. Gabito to Margalio. And wow, Arenzana secured that one. But UNC-TRIFIT defense on point on that last play.
That was a rejection from Masinas. And Masinas almost getting that 2-pointer. But here comes jersey number 20 of the Tigers, Mase.
Now Mase. Looking for his teammate. Margalio with the ball. 9 to shoot. Mase heavily guarded here. Gabito looking for his teammate. And Mase fires for 3. Shot clock was off. But again, NCF with the ball possession. Margalio. Wala pa rin dito.
Maraming chance itong ating NCF Tigers pagdating sa kanilang front court because of that strong offensive rebounds. And magandang team chemistry din yung nakikita natin on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now, it's the UNC-TRIFIT basketball. Jersey number 17, Nico Caronan. Now, swings it to jersey number 29. Now, jersey number 29, Di Diretso. Caronan with that assist from his teammate. And that was a 2 points.
NCF basketball. Katamora to Mase. And foul was called on the side of NCF. Gabito. Guilty on that foul. And Palahe will go inside on the side of NCF together with Brito. So, couple of substitution on the side of NCF. UNC-TRIFIT. Magdadala ng bola dito, jersey number 14. Heavily guarded here by San Gabriel. And a great steal coming from Mase. Palahe with that heroic move. Wow. Napakaganda nung ginawa no ni Palahe. 1 minute and 21 seconds remaining for this first quarter. And now UNC, Barcena to his teammate. With 15 to shoot, Caronan. Passing it to jersey number 14. 10 seconds on the shot clock on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Caronan goes inside. And a foul was called on the side of NTF. NCF Tigers on the penalty situation.
With a minute remaining dito sa ating first quarter, And it's a 3-point lead of the NCF Tigers. Now let's see Nico Carona if he can lessen the lead of the NCF Tigers. Now for his second attempt, Nico Caronan. That's good.
1-point lead. Mase looking for his teammate, passing it to Katamora. Brito. May hawak ng bola sa kanilang kupunan.
Now Mase on the side of the NCF Tigers, Katamora. And now jersey number 88 to Mase. A good ball rotation. Katamora almost getting that 3-pointer. But here comes Mase. Malakas na offense ang pinapakita dito ng ating NCF Tigers, getting that 2 free throws.
Wow. Defense, kung defense para sa dalawang kupunan. And as you can see on our scoreboard, 16-15, very close fight para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan sa ating unang quarter. Now Brito on that free throw opportunity, clean basket para sa unang attempt. Back to 2-point lead. One more to add their score sa ating natitirang 32 seconds.
No good on that second attempt by jersey number 16. And now, it's the UNC-TRIFIT's basketball. Nahihirapang tumawid dito. And now Mase, hawak na ang bola. But no good.
Wasted opportunity on that last sequence on the side of NCF Tigers. So much action doon sa nakalipas na play. Now, foul was called on the side of NCF one more time. And with that, jersey number 9, Vinluan, will get 2 shots on the side of UNC-TRIFIT.
15 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Vinluan getting that second attempt, and now Alwin Margalio for that baseline inbound. Now to jersey number 88. Brito, well guarded Brito. Grabe yung bantay doon ni Brito, tatlo. Nahirapan siya dong mag-convert ng points. But here comes San Gabriel, almost getting that buzzer beater shot. At dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating first quarter, a point lead of the NCF Tigers. Dyan lamang po kahit magbabalik po kami only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon, ang Oragon.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta, pagkaisa ang ating gupit. Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko.
And we are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court for our second quarter. And medyo dikit nga dito yung performance ng dalawang kupunan. But on that first quarter, Margalio on the side of NCF producing 6 points, 1 rebound and 1 steal. And on the other side of things, Caronan with 7 points, 1 rebound. Wow, let's see kung itong dalawang kupunan na ito patuloy na mag-step up to get their team winning this one. Katamora, no good on that 3-point attempt. Parang doon si Brito on that offensive rebound. And Mase for the 3 points And that 3 points is brought to us by Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated.
An early foul for the second quarter of action. And now jersey number 37 on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT, Caronan, to jersey number 4, Masinas. Now on the corner, that was good on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT. Deadlock at 20 points. Now Catamora to jersey number 16, Brito. And now let's hear an update from our courtside reporter on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Let's call on Casey. Casey, anong update natin dyan?
Well, Rick and Jasper, it is evident na nagpapakitang gilas itong ating UNC-TRIFIT, putting pressure on their opponent. This strategy seemed to be working dahil sa magandang depensa ang kanilang ipinakita during the first quarter. Ngunit wag lamang silang papakampante. Bagamat mahaba pa ang laban, we are just on the second quarter of this game at marami pa ang pwedeng mangyari. As Coach Miggy advised, trust your teammates, pass the ball, and enjoy the game. With that in mind, let's see how the UNC-TRIFIT executes their game plan as we head back to the action. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. And ayun na nga, nakikita naman natin yung chemistry, ano? But that was an in-ball violation on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, and it's the NCF's ball possession now.
And now, looking forward on that report para sa UNC-TRIFIT. And on the other side of things, NCF Tigers. Ano kaya ang maging adjustment dito sa ating second quarter? Now, Kyla, anong balita dyan? Ayan, babalikan natin dito, Jasper. Ito ang si Kyla on the side of NCF Tigers. Meanwhile, 2 shots on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Jersey number 14, Barcena, will do the honor. And ayan, balikan natin ang courtside reporter on the side of NCF Tigers. Now, Kyla, anong balita sa inyong kupunan?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup. During the huddle, the coaches commended the effort of the former varsity players of the NCF who stepped up during the first quarter. Ayo, Hermonio, and Margalio, who already play in Pro Leagues, and now they are contributing to the NCF Tigers for the first season of the OBL. Coach Brian and Coach Sal continuously reminds them to lessen their turnovers and foul and continue a good offense and defense for this quarter. At dahil dikit nga ang score, they need to double their effort to get more momentum for this game. No room for complacency, more efforts, and more hassle. That's all for now. Balik sa inyo, Jasper and Rick.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that information. Now, napakinggan natin dito yung mga reinforced players on the side of NCF Tigers. We have Hermonio, Ayo, and Margalio na nagkaroon na ng exposure on our Pro Leagues. So this is very good thing on the side of their team because the maturity, the experience itself, makakatulong on their teammates to build a strong composure inside the court. So let's see as the game progresses kung yun nga ang gagawin dito ng NCF Tigers. 26-24 on our scoreboard. Again, hindi dito nagpapaiwan ng dalawang kupunan.
Now, jersey number 20, Mase on the side of the Tigers. To Brito, back to Mase. Now on the corner, San Gabriel. And a steal coming from jersey number 37, Festin. And now a three-pointer was good. That was brought to us by Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated. Grabe, napakalinis trumabaho ng si jersey number 30, Estrada.
Now, NCF nahihirapan dito sa depensang binibigay or pinapakita on the side of UNC, but turnover on the side of NCF. Now the table has turned, 1-point lead on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Now it's their ball possession, 15 to inbound. And substitution on the side of NCF Tigers, Palillo and Nuwada will go inside.
6 minutes and 41 seconds remaining and a couple of substitutions for both of these teams. A point lead na po ng ating UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Let's see kung madadagdagan pa yan nila or makakabawi itong ating NCF Tigers. A slip, almost a steal, but here comes jersey number 1 of the UNC Greyhounds, Kadag. Almost losing that ball, pero this time sa kanila pa rin ang bola.
Now a chance for their team here to add their lead. No good on that 3-point attempt. And now NCF with the ball. San Gabriel to Palillo. 4-3. No good. Ball will go on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Now kailangan dito ibalik yung groove inside the court on the side of NCF because nalamangan na sila dito ng isang puntos. And meanwhile on the side of UNC-TRIFIT, tama nga yung sabi dito ng kanilang courtside reporter na they really need to enjoy the game for them to execute the basketball. And San Gabriel fires for 3. Tinansya pa niya dito yung kanyang tindig on that last sequence. Now Batiancela heavily guarded by Nuwada.
Grabe, clean basket din yon for San Gabriel. And this time, the same ball possession for the UNC-TRIFIT Naga after that foul of the NCF Tigers. And actually, it's a penalty for the UNC-TRIFIT with Batiancela getting that first attempt.
Yan. Seems like a deja vu on our first quarter. Still, 1-point lead, 2-point lead. Yan lamang nagagawa ng dalawang koponan na ito. Wala pang nag-pull away para dito sa ating laro.
Now, Palillo to San Gabriel. Almost getting that 3-pointer. And a warning here for San Gabriel for faking a foul.
And now, Palillo looking for his teammate. Mid-range jumper para kay Brito. No good. Andon si jersey number 14, Barcena. UNC-TRIFIT with the opportunity. Pero sayang yung layup na yon. But still, makakakuha dito ng free throw shot ang kanilang kupunan.
Substitutions here on the side of the NCF Tigers with Alwin Margalio checking in for the Tigers. And now another free throw opportunity for the UNC-TRIFIT Naga, and this time it's jersey number 4 Masinas. We'll see kung patuloy na ngang or magpapatuloy na nga yung lamang dito ng ating UNC-TRIFIT since nahihirapan na rin itong NCF Tigers na makabawi for the meantime. And they have to be careful sa kanilang fouls because any foul can be converted to a point because of that penalty situation. And this time another steal coming from the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Now jersey number 26. Grabe, Masinas under. But that's a foul. With 15 seconds on the shot clock. Let's see. Once again, UNC-TRIFIT. Masinas handed it to jersey number 28. That's a blocking foul from Masinas. A turnover here on the side of the NCF Tigers.
Now, chance for the NCF Tigers to tie this matchup or even overtake the lead. Palilio to Margalio. Babalik dito si Margalio on the side of NCF. Betito to Nuwada with 10 to shoot. They really need this one. And a foul was called on the side of UNC-TRIFIT, jersey number 28, Villaflor on that last foul.
That was a blocking foul for jersey number 1 of the UNC-TRIFIT. It's Kadag. And now, a timeout has been called on the side of the NCF Tigers. So let's see, Rick, kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito sa ating second quarter of action. Since medyo mahaba-haba pa yung natitirang oras, it's still 4 minutes and 29 seconds. And ayun na nga, medyo nahihirapan na sila ditong pumuntos dahil na rin sa depensang ginagawa nitong ating UNC-TRIFIT. And napapadalas yung pag-steal nitong ating UNC-TRIFIT. So we'll see kung ano yung gagawin nila dito after this timeout. Kung magiging effective ba yung kanilang adjustments. And of course, makabawi dito sa ating second quarter with only 2-point lead of the UNC-TRIFIT.
Palilio to inbound para dito sa NCF Tigers, looking for his teammate, passing it to Betito, forcing that one, but Caronan secures that one. UNC-TRIFIT on the offense. Caronan, mid-range jumper, no good. Arenzana to Palilio. And now Palilio to Nuwada. NCF, medyo harap dito sa kanilang opensa, but Betito using the board to get another points on their side. Now 31 apiece. Batiancela taking his time here, playing Nuwada, but slips on the floor, but still UNC-TRIFIT with the ball. And a foul was called on the side of NCF Tigers, and now NCF on the penalty situation. Sakido on the free throw line for an opportunity.
And as we can see, jersey number 6 of the UNC-TRIFIT, Sakido, standing on the free throw line for his 2 free throws. And that second attempt was good on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT. And now it's the ball possession of the NCF Tigers.
Palilio passing it to Margalio, and now Betito goes inside, no good. Pero Arenzana, the big man, doing the job on that opportunity sa side ng NCF Tigers. Another deadlock of the match. Patiancela heavily guarded by Nuwada. Finding his way here. Passing it to his teammate Patiancela. With 5 to shoot. Great block, but a miscommunication on the side of NCF Tigers, turned over.
Let's see kung anong bawi ang gagawin dito ng ating NCF Tigers. Alwin Margalio once again getting that 3 points, and that was brought to us by Safe Gas. Grabe, another clean basket for Alwin Margalio of the NCF Tigers. And now Villaflor on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT. Now jersey number 33, Lorenzana. Now Caronan, gaganti sana ng 3 but no good on that attempt. And this time, mabilis na facing na ng ating NCF Tigers para ata madagdagan rin yung kanilang lamang dito sa ating second quarter, as we are about to end it with 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining for the first half.
Now UNC-TRIFIT with an opportunity here to add their score. On that corner, jersey number 28, Villaflor magpapakawala ng tres or nagpakawala ng tres. Now, NCF, anong gagawin pagbawi dito? Another deadlock, 36 apiece. And Betito find his way inside, getting a foul.
Now,
Betito with a 3-point play. Successful para sa kanilang kupunan. 39-36. The veterans on the side of NCF Tigers doing the job. Meanwhile, UNC-TRIFIT kumakapit dito. Minute and 40 seconds remaining. No good. Margalio with that rebound. Atawid ang bola but losing that one sa Kido to Villaflor. And libreng-libre para sa layup na yon.
grabe. Napakadikit ng ating laban, Rick. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. And now, isang puntos yung lamang, dagdagan niya ng dalawa. Bali 3 na, Rick, yung lamang dito ng ating NCF Tigers. Now, let's see kung anong bawi ang gagawin dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Isang 3 lang, UNC-TRIFIT rather. Isang 3 lang at bura na yung lamang, no? Deadlock na tayo. Jersey number 28, di diretso. Pull-up jumper but no good.
Maranzana secures that rebound. And now, Palilio to Margalio. What a connection and what a point conversion.
42 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. And almost getting that 2-pointer by the UNC-TRIFIT. Now, jersey number 10 to jersey number 14. That was a foul and a 2 free throws will be given to Alwin Margalio of the NCF Tigers.
Wow, Margalio tumatrabaho para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. And again, nakikita natin ito si Margalio sa court doon sa Bicol League na siya ang head coach on the side of the NCF Cubs. But right now, siya ngayon ang naglalaro para dito sa ating NCF Tigers sa OBL Elavil Cup.
And he's doing good, Rick.
Yes.
Hindi lang pala magaling na coach itong si Alwin Margalio, also a good player. Now let's see Sakido with 28 seconds on the game clock. Jersey number 14. Now almost a steal by Palilio. And now jersey number 17 on the outside. No good on that 3-pointer.
And now, Margalio nagmamadali.
Almost losing that ball. Arenzana. A good connection once again of Arenzana and Betito on the side of the NCF Tigers. And that's the end of our first half. Medyo nakalamang-lamang dito or nakalayo-layo itong ating NCF Tigers as we end the first half. It's 47-38 with that lead of the NCF Tigers. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second half only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon, ang Oragon.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta, pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo sa
Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League, Elavil.
And we're back here at the Naga College Foundation covered court to continue the second half of action. And on the first half, there is that 9-point lead of the NCF Tigers kontra dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Let's see kung ano yung mangyayari dito sa ating second half at sino ang mag-uuwi ng unang panalo dito sa first stretch ng ating OBL Season 1.
Ayan. The game goes on between these two teams. Karonan to inbound. Let's see kung mahabol ba dito yung kalamangang ginawa on the latter part of second quarter on the side of NCF. Taugan, heavily guarded by Hermonio. Passing it to jersey number 14, Masinas. Finding his way and nice steal para dito kay Arenzana. Ayo, itatawi ng bola. Passing it to Hermonio for 3, no good. Offensive rebound coming from Betito. Back to Hermonio, this time to Ayo with 3, no good. Wala pa din.
That's a lot of attempt on the side of the NCF Tigers. But this time hindi papayag dyan si jersey number 24 Arenzana na hindi sila makapag-convert ng puntos doon. And now let's see kung anong bawi naman yung gagawin dito ng ating UNC-TRIFIT.
Taogan with 10 to shoot. Great steal. Ayo now with the ball. For his teammate, passing it to Betito.
Betito fix. Jumps for the pull-up jumper. And they turn over here on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT.
And now, UNC-TRIFIT basketball. Jersey number 28, Villaflor. Passing it to Sarmiento. With 10 to shoot. Let's see kung makakakuha ng puntos ng UNC. No good. The ball will go on the side of UNC again. And to hear an update sa side ng NCF Tigers. Ano ang balita dyan, Kyla?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the third quarter of this matchup and the game is getting more exciting. Both teams are really eager. Palitan ng puntos, opensa, depensa. But the NCF Tigers get the momentum for this quarter. The Tigers are aggressive to really get this win. During the timeout, paalala ng coaches, box out kung box out. Proper execution of the plan and system ang kailangan at huwag magiging kampante hanggat hindi pa tapos ang laban. Kailangan nilang masabayan ng pinapakita ng UNC-TRIFIT Naga and they need to double their effort on their defense dahil yun ang importante for this game. Muna ang update sa side ng Tigers. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Kyla, on that update from the side of the NCF Tigers. Ay nakikita natin yung effort dito, yung kayo dito ng ating NCF Tigers na maiuwi talaga yung unang panalo dito sa unang stretch ng ating OBL Elavil Cup Season 1. And let's see kung ano yung bawi na manggagawin dito or yung hinihintay nating bawi on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT with Masinas to jersey number 19. But here comes Arenzana. And this time naman, pakinggan naman natin ang update on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Casey. Casey, take it away.
Jasper and Rick, it seems like the UNC-TRIFIT have lost their grip on the game, resulting in their opponent significant lead during the second quarter. Kanina nga, during their huddle, Coach Miggy reminded the team to be mindful of their opponent's steals, pinapaalalahanan silang ingatan ng bola, and of course, to play smart in every possession. Dagdag niya pa, gusto niyang makita ang angas ng team for this quarter, emphasizing the importance of pressure defense in order for them to regain their rhythm. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
And thank you so much, Casey, for that update. Yun nga, UNC-TRIFIT, medyo nawala dito yung kanilang momentum na hawak-hawak coming from our first quarter up until our second quarter. And right now, they need to wake up Because again, NCF Tigers slowly but surely pulling away on our scoreboard. 51-38 on our scoreboard, and Hermonio ang may dalang bola on the side of NCF. Ayo to Palilio. Now, 10 to shoot. No good on that para dito kay Gabito. UNC-TRIFIT on the offense. And Caronan losing that one. Palilio secures the rebound, passing it to Hermonio. And now Ayo for 3. In and out ball, no good. Sarmiento. May hawak na bola.
Jersey number 29, Taugan. But a whistle coming from jersey number 19. That was a blocking foul. And now let's see with Nico Caronan for that sideline inbound. Now, Nico Caronan to Masinas. A good defense, man-to-man defense, almost a steal with 10 seconds on the shot clock. And the same ball possession pa rin tayo dito for the UNC-TRIFIT. And a couple of substitutions here. Katamora is in for the NCF Tigers and Batiancela is in for the UNC-TRIFIT. Now, Batiancela for that sideline inbound. Caronan. Villaflor, almost a steal coming from Joshua Ayo. But another almost din for the UNC-TRIFIT. Jersey number 88. Matatawagan dito ng foul. And 2 free throws naman ang igagawa dito kay jersey number 19, Sarmiento. With 5 minutes and 41 seconds remaining on our third quarter.
One more time for Sarmiento. 51-39 on our scoreboard. Chance for the TRIFIT here to lessen the gap. But no good on that last attempt. Now Ayo. Itatawid ang bola sa side ng NCF Tigers. Passing it to Hermonio. Taking their time here. Joshua Ayo slips on the floor, but the ball will stay on the side of their team. Katamora, no good. And now Villaflor. Wasted opportunity on that last sequence on the side of UNC. Now Katamora on his own version, no good. Batiancela to Caronan.
Almost an alley-oop play, pero a foul from jersey number 31, Gabito. Magandang play sana yon for the UNC-TRIFIT, pero a good defense ang na ipakita doon ng ating NCF Tigers. But this time, 2 free throws for Nico Caronan, and that first free throw was good. With 5 minutes on the third quarter, 51-40, 11-point lead ng ating NCF Tigers.
No substitution para sa UNC-TRIFIT, and the ball possession will go on the side of NCF Tigers. Katamora to inbound, passing it to Ayo. Now Ayo to Katamora. And now Gabito looking for Hermonio this time, and Batiancela with that steal. Wow! And that pass equals a great point conversion on the side of UNC-TRIFIT.
Grabe, napakagandang pagdukot doon on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT. Now Joshua Ayo on the side of the Tigers. Let's see, double team Ayo. But the same ball possession pa rin for the NCF Tigers. Matatawagan pa nga dyan ng blocking foul itong si Batiancela on the side of the TRIFIT. Joshua Ayo for that sideline inbound. And now, Katamora back to Ayo for 3. In and out ball. And this time, Batiancela for the UNC-TRIFIT. Well guarded Batiancela, but still a wrong pass. Dire-diretso naman dito. Itong si jersey number 19. What a pass!
Wow.
What a play!
What
for
an
the
outplay.
NCF Tigers. Let's take a look once again. Grabe, ang bilis ng pagpasa doon. What a game! What a play! And what a chemistry din for Hermonio. And also to jersey number 88, Palahe. Grabe.
I think may sasama yon sa highlights on the side of NCF Tigers.
Extending their lead to 10 points. And now UNC-TRIFIT, jersey number 4, Masinas. Now gonna that pull-up jumper, pero a whistle. That was a foul coming from jersey number 19, Sarmiento.
Catamora inbounding the ball on the side of NCF Tigers. Passing ito Ayo. Now Ayo.
Catamora. Back to Joshua Ayo. And now on the short corner, jersey number 19. Now to Palahe.
Hermonio fires for 3. No good.
Out of bounds as the UNC-TRIFIT will take the ball possession with 3 minutes and 12 seconds remaining for our third quarter. And now jersey number 14 to Batiancela. Now Batiancela on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT, making a good shot. A clean 3-pointer coming from Batiancela. Hatid sa atin yan ng Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated. Grabe, napakalinis ng trabaho doon ni Batiancela. And let's see naman kung anong ganti yung gagawin dito ng ating NCF Tigers. But the whistled foul coming from jersey number 4, Masinas of the UNC-TRIFIT. 7-point lead ng ating NCF Tigers. Let's see kung magtutuloy-tuloy or makakabawi itong ating UNC-TRIFIT.
Now, Catamora passing it to his teammate. No good on a 3-point attempt. But this time, Mase makakakuha ng magandang puntos on that fadeaway shot. And now, Batiancela on the side of UNC-TRIFIT with the ball. Passing it to Caronan. 10 seconds to shoot. Fires for 3. No good. Franco Mase with the ball on the side of NCF. Passing it to Catamora. Goes inside for 2. Back-to-back points on the side of NCF Tigers. That's why UNC-TRIFIT pressing the timeout to cut the momentum on the side of NCF Tigers, and at the same time to loosen up on the side of their team kasi at this moment medyo abante ulit dito ang NCF. And as you can see on our screen, our different highlights for both teams. This is brought to us by Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Grabe, napakagandang plays on the second half of action nitong dalawang teams na ito. And now, timeout has been consumed and 1 minute and 56 seconds remaining for the third quarter with 11-point lead of the NCF Tigers. So let's see kung ano yung gagawin nila dito para magtuloy-tuloy yung kanilang momentum, while on the other side naman, the UNC Greyhounds, paano sila dito makakabawi. So they need to adjust on their defense as well as on their offense to get that momentum and to dominate this game. Now Estrada to Batiancela. Batiancela well guarded here by Mase, and a switch here. Batiancela once again doing his clean 3-pointers. Hatid sa atin yan ng Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated.
Wow. What a nice point conversion after the timeout on their side. And now Palahe will be having 2 shots on the side of Tigers. Now Palahe with an opportunity to add their score here, 57-49. And shout out to all our live viewers sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and at the same time sa Oragon Basketball League Facebook page. Shout out dito kay Carl Acedo, Kier Enrile, Francis Erickson, Carlo Kenneth Brizuela, kay Jalen Jackson, Kristen Lois Papa, Jaed Aike, at kay Ram Cervantes. Thank you so much and happy watching. Catamora with the ball, finding his teammate, and now Mase. San Gabriel with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Gabito to Mase. And Mase with that long 2.
35 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Now, batian sila for the UNC-TRIFIT. Kailangan na nila itong bantayan, Rick, dahil napapadalas yung 3-pointers itong si Batian Sela. And now, Batian Sela once again, almost getting na naman yung kanyang 3 points doon. But this time, defensive rebound of Mase. And now to San Gabriel.
6 seconds remaining for this third quarter. And NCF getting a buzzer beater point. 64-49 on our scoreboard. Don't go away because when we come back, masasaksihan natin ang ating fourth and final quarter only here on Oragon Basketball League, Elavil Cup, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon, ang lahat.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon, ang lahat.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon, ang lahat.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon, ang lahat.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we're back here at the Naga College Foundation covered court. Maulan pa rin ngayong hapon. And patuloy yung bakbakan nitong dalawang teams dito for the Oragon Basketball League. Now let's see kung ano yung gagawin ng dalawang teams na ito. Will the NCF Tigers continue to dominate this game or makakabawi yung ating UNC-TRIFIT? Now jersey number 37 with 2 seconds on the shot clock, but still coming from Catamora. And now the ball is on Mase. A steal coming from the UNC-TRIFIT, but another steal naman from the NCF Tigers. Mase, a good ball rotation. San Gabriel on the outside. Di diretso on the corner. No good on that 3-pointer. And it's the UNC-TRIFIT basketball.
Festin with the ball. Passing it to his teammate. No good. The ball will go on the side of NCF Tigers.
Now, Palahit to inbound. Ayan na, make sure lang natin na hindi madulas yung ating court despite na maulan sa labas. Now, Mase. San Gabriel, well guarded here by jersey number 28. Now, jersey number 20, Mase, with 10 to shoot. Jersey number 31, libreng-libre naman doon. And that was a technical on the side. Ayan, mukhang marami yung na lagyan dito or nasabihan dito ng T. We'll see. Dahil on that last sequence rec, nakita natin ayaw bitawan doon nung player ng UNC-TRIFIT. Itong player ng NCF Tigers. So we'll see kung sino-sino yung natawagan doon ng technical foul.
64-49 on our scoreboard, and still leading this game, NCF Tigers. What would be the adjustment on the side of TRIFIT here, because this is the final stretch for both teams to secure their first win here sa ating opening games ng Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. Now, what would be the call on that last play, or what would be the decision of our officiating officials?
So our referees is ensuring na fair and safe and clean, of course, yung ating laro. But for the meantime, let's hear an update on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Casey. Casey, take it away.
Rick and Jasper, we are now on the final quarter and the most crucial part of this game. But the UNC-TRIFIT has yet to regain their rhythm and make a strong push to take control. Ani nga ni Coach Piggy, huwag ibigay ng basta-basta ang bola, emphasizing the need for them to have a stronger defense upang pantayan o higitan ang kanilang kalaban. This is their last chance, but will they be able to turn the tide in their favor? That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. And as we can see, nakakuha doon ng technical free throw itong si Villa Flor on the side of the UNC Greyhounds or the UNC-TRIFIT. And the game continues.
66-50 on our scoreboard. Festin passing the ball to jersey number 6, Estrada.
Now Villa Flor.
And now Festin fires for 3, no good. And to hear an update on the other side of things, NCF Tigers courtside reporter Kyla, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the fourth quarter of this game, and for the last quarter of the game, the Tigers are reminded to be consistent on what they are showing. Consistency is the key. Keep playing because the game is not yet over. They need to put more efforts on their defense. Hindi pa tapos ang laban, kaya kailangan pa maging all out sa kanilang depensa at aggressiveness. During the huddle, Coach Asal reminds them to put more pressure on their opponent. A good communication is also a must for a good ball rotation for this quarter. Will the momentum continues on the side of the NCF Tigers, and will they get this win over the UNC-TRIFIT? That's all for now. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Jasper.
Ayan, thank you so much Kyla for that update. So let's see kung patuloy nga ba ditong makakakuha ng magandang momentum itong ating NCF Tigers. And now, UNC-TRIFIT on that free throw opportunity. Kadag. Let's see kung makakakuha ba dito ng additional points. Ito ang ating UNC-TRIFIT. No good. And now, Margalio with that rebound, passing it to Mase. Taking their time here. 7 minutes and 16 seconds remaining for this game. Justin San Gabriel, no good. Betito, offensive rebound para sa kanya. Passing ito. And this time, Palahe with that mid-range jumper, no good. San Gabriel. And a dead ball on that last sequence. And now, the ball possession ay mapupunta ngayon on the side of UNC-TRIFIT.
Now, jersey number 29, Taugan for that sideline inbound on the side of the TRIFIT. Now, jersey number 1, Kadag. A whistle that was coming from jersey number 14, Alvin Margalio of the NCF Tigers. And now, 2 free throws ang makukuha dito ni Kadag on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT. And that first attempt was good. 52-66. 14-point lead ng ating NCF Tigers. No good on that second attempt by Kadag. And the defensive rebound here by Alvin Margalio. And now jersey number 20, Mase. Diretso Mase, well guarded here by Kadag. And now Mase hands it to Margalio. Now jersey number 7, Betito. No good on that mid-range jumper by Alvin Margalio. San Gabriel, wala pa rin. But here comes the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Oh, a steal.
Yes.
From the NCF Tigers. Grabe yung palitan dito ng ball possession. Walang nakakapuntos. Let's see this time, because that is stepping on the line. A turnover here on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. 6 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. NCF's turnover.
And now, Caronan handing the ball to Taugan with 9 seconds on the shot clock. And foul was called on the side of NCF Tigers. Caronan. The free shots. Free shot para dito sa ating UNC-TRIFIT. No good. Let's see dito sa kanyang pangalawang attempt. Kung madadagdagan ba dito ang kanilang score. One more time for him. And this time, basket. Substitution para dito sa NCF Tigers. Ibabalik dito si Ayo. Margalio. Passing it to San Gabriel. Heavily guarded by Batiancela. Betito. Mid-range. Jumper was good. And this time, nakakuha rin ng magandang point conversion dito ang NCF Taugan on the other side of things with the ball.
5 minutes and 23 seconds remaining on the fourth and final quarter. And here comes Alvin Margalio. Sinabayan pa yan. Almost getting that +1. And now, UNC-TRIFIT Masinas, dire-diretso naman para mabawi agad yung puntos na ginawa doon ni Alvin Margalio. And now Betito, a long pass, San Gabriel. And that was a crucial error on the side of the NCF Tigers, since we are down to the last 4 minutes and 54 seconds of the final quarter. And lamang sila dito ng 16 points.
They need to maintain their composure and at the same time, no room for complacency para dito sa NCF Tigers because we know kung paano trumabaho itong UNC-TRIFIT on that last first and second quarter. And right on cue, Batiansela again fires for 3. Napakaganda ng outside shooting nitong si Batiansela. And now, NCF with the ball possession, Nuwada. Foul was called on the side of TRIFIT. Ayo to inbound para si NCF.
Now,
Betito.
di diretso naman ngayon. A basket count plus foul. A 3 points play opportunity for Betito. On the side of the NCF Tigers, napakagandang play. 3-point play opportunity was good on the side of the NCF Tigers by Betito. And now, UNC-TRIFIT with 4 minutes and 12 seconds remaining on the fourth and final quarter. Masinas, matatawagan dyan ng foul, jersey number 88. Palahe on the side naman of the NCF Tigers.
Now, UNC-TRIFIT with that free throw shots. Masinas successful in that first attempt. Ayan, another shout out ulit tayo dito, Jasper, sa ating mga live viewers. A shout out kay Michael Reyes, kay Dale De La Torre, kay JM Acedo, at kay Aljon Adayo. Happy watching. Margallo fires for 3, no good. Andon ang UNC-TRIFIT for that rebound. And foul was whistled.
Last 3 minutes and 46 seconds with 73 to 58. 15-point lead ng ating NCF Tigers. With Batiansela once again standing on the free throw line for his 2 free throws on the side naman of the UNC-TRIFIT. And that first free throw was clean.
One more time for him. 73-59 is our score. 3 minuto ang natitira para dito sa ating larong ito. And Batiansela, 2 clean basket for him. And now, NCF to inbound. Ayo. Itatawid ang bola. Passing it to Nuwada. And Nuwada with that single-hand layup. Parang nagkape pa sa ere. Itong si Nuwada. And on the other side of things, what a connection naman para dito kay Sarmiento to his teammates.
Now Ayo on the side of the NCF Tigers. Well guarded Ayo. Now to jersey number 10. A steal coming from the UNC-TRIFIT Batiansela. To jersey number 14 naman. 2 points by Barcena. Napakagandang bawi naman yung ginagawa ng UNC-TRIFIT. Nakikita natin yan.
But, again, NCF, on your screen, Margallo with that point conversion. Talagang sinisigurado nilang hindi dito makakadikit itong UNC-TRIFIT. Sarmiento heavily guarded with 10 seconds on the shot clock.
But
And
that is a traveling violation. Atid sa atin yan ng Nagayon Travel and Tours. And as we can see, Jimo Mumuni is in for the NCF Tigers. With 2 minutes and 29 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. Mukhang ito talaga yung inaabangan rek ng ating mga viewers na ipasok ng ating NCF Tigers. Jimo Mumoni, agad namang napatawag siya ng timeout. Yung ating UNC-TRIFIT Naga, mukhang gagawa sila ng game plan na makakapag-counter dito kay Jimo on the side of the NCF Tigers dahil kilala natin to rek si Jimo. And a student from the Naga College Foundation, a student athlete now playing for the Oragon Basketball League, Jimo Momoni.
Yes. And on their last league, yung UCCL, nagkaroon din doon ng spotlight si Jimo. Naging best player of the game. So right now, let's see kung anong maiaambag na dito sa ating NCF Tigers. Margalio, heavily guarded here. Passing it to Jimo. And Jimo with his first point on this league. At humiyawan nga dito ang fans ni Jimo sa loob ng ating NCF covered court. And what a steal coming from Margalio.
But that was a counter for the UNC-TRIFIT, pero 3 points pala yung nakalaan doon coming from jersey number 10 of the NCF Tigers, Nuwada. Grabe, unang pasok, kakapasok pa lang doon ni Jimo, talagang puntos ka agad eh. So we'll see. Ball possession ngayon ng ating UNC-TRIFIT with jersey number 14 for that baseline inbound. And now jersey number 30 with a rejection coming from jersey number 16, Brito. And now Masinas. Grabe yung sayawan nila dito ni Jimo. Grabe. Rejection plus steal. Nuwada almost getting that 3-pointer. And the ball will go on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga with Masinas to inbound. Now to Batiancela. Now, another rejection from Jimo of the NCF Tigers. Grabe talaga. Mukhang unstoppable na yung NCF Tigers pag nandito si Jimo Mumoni. Alvin Margalio now go down that 3-pointer with minute remaining dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Masinas almost being rejected by Jimo on that shot. And now Joshua Ayo with 47 seconds remaining.
Wow, NCF Tigers
very close to get their first win.
Yes.
Dito sa Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1. Napakagandang laro yung natunghayan natin.
Yes.
And as we can see, natitigilan naman na yung mga players natin dito. Let's see if Jimo can do that dunk. Grabe. Mukhang bago pa talaga tinapos yung laro. Nag-highlights muna sila doon.
Yes.
Kay Jimo. What a slam for Jimo of the NCF Tigers.
NCF
Wala na.
Tigers.
Natigilan na rin yung dalawang teams na naandito ngayon sa Naga College Foundation covered court with Masinas trying to match that slam from Jimo. Let's take a look yung highlights ng huling pasok ni Jimo dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. And mga kaibigan, that's the end of our fourth and final quarter. Diyan lamang po kayo dahil mamaya po ay makikilala natin yung best player of the game. And as we can see, yung mga highlights natin from the second half, grabe. Bago pa talaga nila tinapos yung laro o yung oras, they make sure na makaka-highlights doon. Itong si Jimo with that slam. And that's the end of our fourth and final quarter. Diyan lamang po kayo at makikilala po natin yung ating best player of the game mamaya-maya po. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon, ang loto.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta, pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging naming bitbit. Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta, pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging na. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
There you have it. Our best player of the game is brought to us by Naga College Foundation, home of the champion, Leap into the future. And together with me is our best player of the game, jersey number 14, Alwin Margallo with 19 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists, and 2 steals. So congratulations on your big win against the UNC-TRIFIT. So ano yung nararamdaman mo kasi dito sa opening day, kayo ang nakakuha ng unang panalo from coaching and now playing?
Siyempre masaya and grateful ulit na makapaglaro ulit then after sa coaching. And then siyempre this first win, magiging momentum sa amin to para magtuloy-tuloy yung panalo namin.
And ano pa yung aabangan ng mga fans ng NCF Tigers sa paparating pang mga matches or games nitong NCF?
Siguro yung ano din, yung maging kompleto yung team namin kasi meron pa sa kaming player na hindi pa nakakarating. Siguro surprise na lang siguro kung kailan talaga siya makapunta.
And lastly, this is your chance to make bate on your fans and sa lahat ng sumuporta sa NCF Tigers.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga sumusuporta sa NCF Tigers and syempre sa mga boss namin, kay Sir Mario, kay Sir Joel, and sa coach namin, Coach Brian, sa buong coaching staff, sa mga teammates ko, and syempre sa family ko, sa asawa ko, and sa anak ko, kay Ayler.
And thank you so much and another congratulations on your win dito sa NCF Tigers. Again, this is our best player of the game, Alvin Margallo.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Nakilala na nga natin ang ating best player of the game. Hatid sa atin yan ng the Naga College Foundation, home of the champions, into the future. Tutok lamang po for more actions dahil meron pa po tayong games na natitira for this day. And it's the first stretch of the Oragon Basketball League. Once again, I am Jasper Abante.
And I am Rick Puerta. For more action, sutok lamang dito sa Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Ang Oragon.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.